am so excited. I have not been on a boat in the water since I was in Australia and lived in Australia and worked on scuba diving boats. So I'm very excited to be on a boat again. I'm so glad. It is 89 degrees right now. I'm so excited. We're not supposed to get rain for another like 3 days or something. So very, very exciting. And I think before, you know, he's like getting ready and stuff, or he's like putting the boat in the water right now. And so while he's doing that, I'm gonna run around. I'm gonna go to WRV and see what they have, see if they've got any like cute little dresses or whatever, you know, like just beachy clothes. And I don't know, I definitely want to eat a little something. Obviously we can't eat on the boat, so, or we could, but we didn't bring stuff to eat on the boat. So I'm just gonna grab a little snack and then head on down there, and I'll show you guys where it's at and stuff. So yeah, this will be exciting. This will be really exciting. It'll be nice to just be on the water again, you know. So I'm gonna go to Starbucks because I need a little pick-me-up, and then I'm gonna be running a few errands, like I said, and then I'm gonna be headed to the beach, to the marina, and we will see if he's got the boat in the water. Yes, hi. Can I get a venti green tea frappuccino? Yes, please. No, that'll be it. Thanks. Thank you.
Air conditioned gazebo, no less.
What? Shut up.
Maybe your boat is satellite TV. Yeah, really.
Who are these people that live on this?
People with more money than you.
Yeah, we gotta work on it.
You know what?
We need to work on that. How can you make more money? Not that I would want to live here, though. Like, I'd want to live somewhere exotic. Like Hawaii. Hawaii. How about that? Does that sound good?
That sounds good. I'll buy your
I have
beach
high
houses in
expectations.
Hawaii.
Okay. Deal?
Yeah. I'm gonna go rob the mint.
This is like the perfect day for this.
Tomorrow will be good too.
I did bring a bathing suit.
Did I just hear a chicken? Oh God.
What? Lomo? You see one?
Look up on that.
No, I know, I see those, but I mean, look at all these little crabs! This is crazy. Hold on. I still can't get over this. Ew, ew, ew. Okay. The Tic Tacs are rolling around in my purse. So like,
Get them falling to the
I bet this is like the fucking Tetons to them.
Looks like the Badlands. Look how big that dude is.
Who?
This guy right here. See, he's crawling over here. Look how big his claw is.
Ew. Is he like the owner of the ruler of
I guess. I don't know.
the mountains of clams? This would be like us climbing like Mount Kilimanjaro or some shit.
I don't think quite that.
Yeah, but imagine being like a little teeny crab. I don't think it would be like that. Ew. You almost got me. Uh-oh. I'm not going over there. This is crazy.
shell. I see it right there. Just be careful.
It's right there.